Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Never Ending Kit and Off the Board. I am going to be scrapbooking these two photos from our Alcatraz trip. I've pulled out a couple of papers that I want to use and then a sticker book from the Never Ending Kit, but I've got the whole thing over here, so I have all of my supplies at hand. So let's see what I can do. Alright guys, so obviously I started cutting things before I knew that I was not recording. So I've got some things cut out. I'm using that plaid paper in the background, the floral paper in the front, and then I cut some of that wooden plank paper to go across. And I am going to go ahead and texture up these edges. Now, funnily enough, I did not complete this layout today. I actually made this layout yesterday, and I don't remember what I did. So yeah. And then I came home and did tomorrow's layout today. So I did the Follow a Sketch Friday posted edition today after work. Lana comes home this weekend, so I am trying to get ahead. I am officially 2 days ahead now, you guys. So this is living. I guess. Yeah. So use all the adhesive. I'm going to put that down. Evidently, I went ahead and distressed that as well. Maybe I should pull out the layout. I mean, there we go. Because I am trying to texturize this bad boy. So I am going to use a variety of textures. Interestingly enough, I do not pop this up on foam, and that is definitely something I like to do, is pop things up on foam when I want a little bit of texture. Now, this photo is of the Quartermaster Warehouse and Power Plant, and I was going to read what the sign says, but your girl's not wearing her glasses right now, and I am 44 years old, and I need glasses to read such tiny print off of a photograph. So I won't read it to you. It just says Quartermaster Warehouse and Power Plant sustaining the city and the bay. And then I can't really read what else it says without the glasses. And I'm not exactly sure where I put my glasses. And I have not ordered the glasses yet because I need to go to the eye appointment. And I don't remember if I shared this on the live or if it was in a video, but I went to make an appointment online because, you know, I don't want to talk to people. And they wanted to do a video appointment. I'm like, what? How are you going to check my eyesight through a video appointment? Wackadoo. So yeah, kind of crazy, right? Like, I really don't like to talk to people on the phone for appointments or things like that. It's just, I don't like doing it. And I think it's because I talk to people all day long at work. And I just don't want to have to deal with that, you know? So anyway, I did go into work early today. One of my partners called out sick last night. It really sucks when people are sick, and yeah. Tomorrow, though, I'm training someone how to be the opener, so it'll be fun. Going to ride the motorcycle tomorrow. It's also my 1-year anniversary at Starbucks, so it's all kinds of things tomorrow, right? We're bringing back Follow a Sketch Friday, and it's my 1-year anniversary, so there should be some sort of celebration, I think. Anyway, as you can see, I've gone ahead and added some fabric-y things to the layout. I have that little eyelet trim, which I absolutely adore. If I ever find an eyelet trim like this again, I'm going to buy it, even if it's not on clearance, because I got this stuff on clearance, and I'm coming to the end of it, and that's a little bit sad for me because I love it that much. The twisty threads on top I've had for years and years and years, so I'm glad I'm using those up.
I'm going to go ahead and overlap some stickers here. I've got this khaki banner sticker that I've had for a hot minute as well. It's been in the Never Ending Kit for a moment, and I'm going to put on this gather sticker. And it's going to say gather power because this is like the power plant, like it powered the place, right? And then I'm going to decorate with flowers because why not, right? Like flowers scream electrical power, right? Don't they? Yeah. This sticker book is really falling apart. And I will tell you, this sticker book was the sticker book I was hesitant to buy. I bought the Chamel one, I got the Vicky Bouton one, and then I got this one and the pink paisley one. And I was like, do I really want to buy this? But it has, it's based on Auburn Lane and what is that blue collection? What is that blue one, you guys? It was, oh God, I loved that one so much. Indigo and Ivy. Oh, Indigo and Ivy. Man, I've got to look around and see if they sell that digitally. I mean, am I really going to print paper? Probably not. Well, I don't know. I guess it's just some sort of like mental comfort that I could print it if I wanted to. I don't know. I don't have a 12 by 12 format printer, so it's not gonna print it. Let's be real. I am going to pop some of these little foam viney leafy things underneath of the stickers. And again, that's going to bring it a little bit more texture, a little lift off of these super flat stickers. And then I'm going to add in some black foam stickers. Just a couple little things, right? I'm gonna finish my title, so it says Gather Power. Oh, I'm looking at other things first, I guess. I am going to decorate up on top of the photo. I'm going to have a sticker that says out of limitations comes creativity, and then these numbers from 1 to 10. And I figured close enough to power, right? You're powering up 1 to 10. So yeah, don't know if that makes sense in anyone else's head, but you better believe that it makes sense in mine. Going to add in that sticker and get those foam things on there. I'm also going to Frankenstein a letter to make an E for power because I don't have any. And I am okay with that, right? Like there are some layouts where I will not Frankenstein a letter because I don't want it to look like I Frankensteined a letter. And some layouts I just don't care. So yes, I have a hierarchy of layouts that need to be Frankensteined and not. You know what I'm saying? And I can't tell you what that hierarchy is because sometimes I would say, no, I would never Frankenstein a letter on that type of layout. And then lo and behold, one day I will. You know, things change, you guys. Things definitely change. Just like my page protectors. I hate that extra gap in page protectors. They did them in Close to My Heart, and they do them in the Paper Studio page protectors that come in the Hobby Lobby albums. I just don't like it. I'm not a fan. But I put out so many layouts. Like, I scrapbook so much that I can't use those page protectors for the other things I was using them for fast enough. And that is a lot of cash that I would rather be spending on actual supplies. So I'm using those page protectors now. Right? And I was preaching it for years that I hated them and I wouldn't use them, and lo and behold, I'm using them now. I also use them to hold my 12 by 12 scrapping reflections stencils, so there is that as well, but I am using them on layouts, and it's just because I don't want to spend the money on page protectors. Plus I ran out. I think I've got a couple left in the shop, from when I bought extra when we did that group buy on page protectors. maybe if I get a group buy going again for page protectors, I will actually use the protectors I like, because just saying it out loud that I'm using the page protectors that I hate makes me feel icky inside. Anyway, that's probably too much. I'm going to add in some of these faceted gems, and then once that is done, the layout is finished, and I am one step closer to having Alcatraz all done. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.